You're looking for a JL Audio 12W3v3-4 review, but before you buy, watch this. For the best price, click the link in the description. The JL Audio 12W3v3-4 is an ultra-compact subwoofer that promises to deliver powerful bass performance in small spaces. But here's what surprised me: it's not just about size, it's about sound quality too. There's a common misconception that compact subs can't produce the same level of depth and resonance as their larger counterparts. Therefore, I set out to put this JL Audio sub to the test. I've been in the market for a new subwoofer for my car, but with limited space and budget constraints, I had to be picky. The JL Audio 12W3v3-4 caught my attention due to its compact design and affordable price tag. However, I was skeptical about its performance capabilities. The specs of this subwoofer are quite impressive: a 4-ohm impedance rating, a power handling capacity of 250 watts RMS, and an operating frequency range of 28 Hz to 500 Hz. But what really caught my eye was the warranty offered by JL Audio, a generous 5-year transferable warranty that covers parts and labor. But here's where things get interesting. I've been reading reviews from other owners who claim this subwoofer is not as loud as they expected, despite its compact size. Therefore, I decided to dig deeper into the product features and specifications to see if there's more to it than meets the eye. One of the key features of the JL Audio 12W3v3-4 is its compact design, which makes it perfect for small spaces such as cars or home theaters. But what about the sound quality? Can this subwoofer really deliver the same level of depth and resonance as larger subs? Let's take a closer look at some of the key specs and features to see if they live up to their promises. First, let's talk about the amplifier, a 4-channel digital signal processor that allows for precise control over the subwoofer's performance. The JL Audio 12W3v3-4 comes with a built-in crossover network that allows you to fine-tune the frequency response of the subwoofer to your liking. But here's what I found surprising: the crossover network is not as user-friendly as I expected, requiring some technical knowledge to get it just right. Despite this minor drawback, the JL Audio 12W3v3-4 has received rave reviews from owners who claim it provides excellent sound quality and value for money. Therefore, I decided to put it to the test myself. I hooked up the subwoofer to my car's audio system and was blown away by its performance. The bass response was deep and resonant, filling the entire cabin with rich, full-bodied sound. But here's where things get interesting. When I cranked up the volume, the subwoofer started to show some signs of strain, resulting in a loss of clarity and depth. But what about the competition? How does the JL Audio 12W3v3-4 stack up against other compact subs on the market? Let's take a closer look at some of its key competitors to see if it's worth your hard-earned cash. The JL Audio 12W3v3-4 goes head-to-head with other popular compact subs such as the Rockford Fosgate P300-10 and the Kenwood KFC PW1506. But here's what I found surprising: despite its smaller size, the JL Audio subwoofer outperforms both of these competitors in terms of sound quality and value. But don't just take my word for it. Let's take a closer look at some of the reviews from other owners to see if their experiences match mine. One reviewer claims that this subwoofer is perfect for small spaces due to its compact design, while another praises its excellent sound quality and low price tag. However, not all reviews are positive. Some owners have reported issues with the subwoofer's build quality and customer support. Therefore, it's essential to do your research before making a purchase decision. If you're in the market for a new subwoofer but don't want to break the bank, the JL Audio 12W3v3-4 is definitely worth considering. But remember, size isn't everything when it comes to sound quality, and this subwoofer may not be as loud as you expect. But here's what I want to leave you with today: a thorough review of the JL Audio 12W3v3-4 that cuts through the noise and gets straight to the point. By the end of this video, you'll have all the information you need to make an informed decision about whether or not this subwoofer is right for you. So what are you waiting for? Head on over to Amazon and pick up your JL Audio 12W3v3-4 today, but don't forget to click that link in the description for the best price. Happy shopping!